Hi everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will be making something spring inspired. So here are the essentials I need. Crochet hook, knitting needle, pair of scissors, a picture frame, some white and yellow colored yarn, and glue drops. So this is the vision for the project. It's a daisy picture frame. All of the daisies will be crocheted. To begin with the center, let's make a magic ring and then work 8 single crochets into the ring. The pattern is displayed on the screen and all of the details are mentioned in the description box as well. Now the same thing can be recreated with different types of flowers, and there are some references that I have mentioned in the description box that you might like to check out. Once the 8th single crochet is completed, connect it to the first single crochet with a slip stitch and fasten off the yarn, and the center is done. For the petal, take the white yarn and introduce it at any of the 8 loops. Now to begin with it, we will chain 4 and then work a treble crochet into the same stitch. Once the treble crochet is completed, we will chain 4 again and connect this to the next stitch with a slip stitch. The same thing will be repeated 7 more times until all of the 8 petals are completed. Once the last petal is completed, connect it to the first stitch, fasten off, and then cut the excess yarn. You will notice that there are multiple loose ends. All of these need to be sewed in order to tidy up. So this is how the daisy looks once completed. All in all, we need 14 daisies for the picture frame, and at this point I'd completed 1 and 13 more to go. After crocheting all of the daisies and tidying up the loose ends, it's time for assembly. Now before I assembled it, I did iron out the daisies so that they sit pretty on the frame and the edges don't curl up. Now I also roughly arranged the daisies onto the frame in order to get a sense of placement, and once I was satisfied, it was time to secure them in place. To secure the daisies, I peeled off the glue drops and carefully stuck the daisies onto the frame. And there you have it, a picture perfect frame of daisies that took me less than 2 hours to make, and I completely loved the outcome. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you guys liked the picture frame. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more such content.